Hi, everyone. Welcome. Thank you for joining us to this discussion of the joint venture between PCLaw Time Matters and Leap Legal Software. Before jumping in, I do have a few housekeeping items. So during the presentation, we will have participants muted, and that's to ensure the best listening experience for all attendees. There will be an opportunity at the end of the presentation, of course, for questions. So please feel free to enter those into the chat at any time or hold until the end. And we expect the webinar to be about 40 minutes in length, so a recording of this session will be made available after the presentation. Now, the goal of today's webinar, of course, is to share the important details related to the joint venture between PCLaw Time Matters and Leap Legal Software, including the benefits that PT customers can gain from the joint venture. We're going to discuss the market trends impacting our customers and how our joint venture actually addresses them. And then later, we will provide a thorough overview of Leap's legal practice productivity solution, and we're going to discuss options that are available for firms who may be considering a switch to a fully encompassing cloud-based solution. I should have started with introductions. I'm sorry, my name is Amy McArthur. I am the CEO of PCLaw Time Matters, and today I'm happy to be joined by Ramsey Cabbani, Head of Sales for Leap Canada, our recommended cloud partner, and Leap Business Development Representative, Emily Wilson. Now, both Ramsey and I have worked in the legal industry for many, many years with a wide range of law firms, big and small, all different areas of practice. And we truly believe in helping law firms day in and day out with great legal technology, which is why we're both here working together and speaking today about the critical difference that the right legal technology can make to a practice. Welcome, Ramsey.
Thank you, Amy.
And Emily. Emily is a veteran sales professional with Leap Canada and works closely each day with law firms in Canada to assist them in evaluating cloud and technology solutions for their law firms. Now, Emily will be showcasing a Leap demonstration shortly. So on to our first discussion, the complexities of on-premise software in today's remote working world. And we say world, but truly I think that we're focused on the legal industry. And what I've seen that the complexities of on-premise software are more apparent than ever. As the CEO of PCLaw Time Matters and with 15 years at LexisNexis, I've seen the migration trends law firms are adopting. It's a move towards the cloud. On-premise software development is expensive, it's complex, and honestly, the pace of cloud technology, it's surpassing our ability to keep up. The statistics speak for themselves. In 2022, 70% of law firms reported using cloud computing. In solo practitioners, it was even higher, 84%.
Absolutely. The shift to cloud in a response to the changing legal landscape, lawyers, legal clients, and courts alike are driving the demand for modern technology that supports remote and flexible work arrangements. Our collaboration with PCLaw, Time Matters, acknowledges this shift and our shared commitment to helping law firms succeed in this digital era.
Ramsey, you're exactly right. That's why the joint venture was created. While PT will continue to support PCLaw and Time Matters clients, LexisNexis recognized the growing challenges with continuing to develop on-premise software. On-premise software is expensive for us to support and develop, but it's also expensive for our customers to maintain. This, coupled with the massive amounts of time and investment and resources that it takes to move a software like PCLaw to the cloud, it resulted in LexisNexis making the decision to go and find a cloud partner to meet the needs of the PCLaw and Time Matters clients. In essence, our joint venture provides an easier and quicker path to the cloud for our clients. Now, it might seem unusual for us to promote a different software solution, but our goal is to prioritize our clients' success. Leap's expertise in cloud technology perfectly aligns to this objective.
That's correct. At Leap, we offer a comprehensive legal practice management solution that includes automation, time recording, billing, trust accounting, and seamless integration with the Microsoft tools. Our extensive library of automated legal forms and precedents further enhances the efficiency of legal operations. Our collaboration with PCLaw and Time Matters aims to deliver the best legal practice productivity solution in the cloud for our clients.
You know, Ramsey, one question that we often get is why we've partnered with Leap and why this shift is happening now. And the answer is clear. We are dedicated to supporting our clients in facing the challenges of today's legal landscape. While we can't rewrite PC law in the cloud due to the previously mentioned complexities, we found the right cloud partner in Leap, and we're working closely to ensure a smooth transition for our customers.
Absolutely. Our partnership ensures a supported migration process. Clients have raised important questions about why they should move to Leap. If they're already using PC Law in a remote setup, whether Leap has similar functionalities, and how we help with the migration process, these questions are valid. And we're here to address them and provide seamless transition experience.
Yeah, you said something as it relates to PC Law being used in remote environments. We know we have clients who have found ways to access PC Law remotely through hosted services. It can be a costly option, and while some have done so without issue, PC Law was not built to be accessed remotely, nor are we set up to have the same remote environments, to test those software solutions or to support them. So it makes it a challenging long-term solution. It's important for our customers to understand the benefits of this transition. Cloud-based solutions can offer law firms greater efficiency, improved cost controls, and better overall value for their clients. With Leap's capabilities, firms can take on more work and attract new clients who seek transparency in billing and modern technology.
Transitioning to cloud is a step forward, and it's this reality for law firms today. The hard truth is, server-based software is falling behind, leading to isolated systems, manual data entry, and compatibility issues. In addition, many firms find themselves running multiple disconnected systems, accounting, document management, email management, calendaring, etc., which ultimately leads to more manual efforts, more time wasted, and potential for errors. I would also suggest the hidden costs for maintaining on-premise solutions can't be ignored. But with our joint venture, clients can transition with confidence, leveraging Leap's capabilities and the support of both PC Law Time Matters and the Leap teams. We are here to serve.
Exactly. We're not leaving our clients on their own. We've developed tools to ensure data migration is efficient and accurate. Through a proven transition path, we've already helped thousands of firms make the move successfully. By choosing PC Law Time Matters and Leap, firms can benefit from greater efficiency, a smooth transition, and ongoing support for their growth journey.
That's the essence of the joint venture, a commitment to our client success. We're here to provide the technology and expertise that enable law firms to thrive in the digital age and help them stay ahead of the curve in an ultra-competitive landscape. This partnership is all about delivering the best solutions, supporting growth, and staying ahead of the curve. Speaking of the joint venture and our mutual commitment to our clients' success, just before we move to the Leap demonstration, let's review, for the PT customers, some of the unique benefits available to them and only them.
Data migration. The single largest concern for customers is the accurate and efficient transition of their data from one platform to another. As many PC Law clients have decades of data stored, Leap and PC Law solve this together as part of our joint venture commitment. We created a tool called Strato that maps most PC Law data to Leap, accurately and efficiently. In fact, there is no other data provider today who can migrate as much data from PC Law as Leap can. We encourage all customers to do their due diligence, and during your research process, ask other providers if they can migrate over the same amount of data. Leap's migration process is a huge differentiator. Our in-house development teams have worked closely to ensure an amazing data migration experience. PC Law and Time Matters users enjoy a transactional migration. As standard, we will go back 7 years to meet your legal obligations. However, we can go back as far as you would like at no additional cost. We understand the law firm's IP is mostly stored in their accounting systems, so not just clients and matter details come through as part of the migration. We included transactions migration, and all the items migrated are shown here. If your data is important to your firm, you need to ensure no less than all of these items are included, or firms will need to rely on hours, days, or weeks of manual data entry. Our service is trusted and tried. Once you are using Leap, no more servers, and your staff can work anywhere, anytime, on any device, without the need of expensive servers.
Continuity of service. As we mentioned, we are committed to the success of our mutual customers. We know transitioning to new software takes more than a minute, so to ensure continuity of operations for our customers, PT customers, upon signing with Leap, will receive 3 months of free AMP. This is designed to ensure customers are supported by both PT and Leap during the transition. No other software can offer you this.
Installation, onboarding, and training. Leap will be with you every step of the way. We have an entire team of people who work with you at each process, whether we are preparing the clients for data migration, to onboard our customers, even to training staff. We want to execute this transition seamlessly and efficiently.
Prorated refund. At any point in time throughout your AMP membership, if a PT client signs with Leap, they will receive a prorated refund on the remainder of the AMP period. We want to ensure that all of our customers can evaluate our recommended cloud partner and move to Leap, regardless of their AMP agreement. This ensures PT customers that when they transition, they continue only having to pay for one software. I think that covers the unique benefits available to our PT customers when they transition to Leap. With that, I would like to again welcome Emily to showcase the Leap Practice Productivity solution.
I'm so excited to demonstrate Leap, and I'm sure you will quickly notice why Leap was chosen as the global joint venture partner to assist firms using PCLaw and Time Matters. Currently, we are looking at Leap's desktop application, but you can also access our platform through our mobile application and also our web browser application, leap365.ca. Now, upon the default screen, you will see an overview of all of the matters that your firm is currently working on. You can easily simplify your viewing along the top right. You can look at your own current matters. You can also organize by accounting status, matters with trust funds, or even unbilled funds. You also can generate a new matter from this screen here, but the easiest way to search for a matter is by using the toolbar to the top left. With a simple double click, you are immediately brought into the electronic matter. Now, upon the default screen, you are able to see your details and correspondence, but from one screen here, you're able to access your calendar and tasks, your financial summary, and all of the accounting related to this specific matter. Now on the left-hand side, under our details, you can see that we're in a matter type specific to a divorce and separation, but our content team has actually created matter-specific templates for all common areas of law. The benefit with this is that all of the details related to this matter follow suit under the template, where you can customize these fields to your liking, and then any document creation going forward will automatically pull from these fields, eliminating the duplication of data entry and also eliminating the chance for human error. After you integrate and you create a document through Leap, everything will save back to your correspondence in chronological order. Now, all of the information, whether it is emails, documents, PDFs, faxes, it saves under your correspondence for you to easily reference. This is great if your firm is working collaboratively, but you can also set up restrictions and parameters so only certain individuals within your firm can access certain information. Let me go ahead and generate a document for you. Leap seamlessly integrates with Office 365, and you can use the applications as you typically would. Now you just have some added tools within Leap. I'm going to create a letter, select the recipient, I'll go ahead and create, and automatically Word is going to populate the template that I have selected. Leap can easily bring in the templates that you favor within your firm, and you can see here that everything will be personalized with your firm's letterhead before you go live with our program. Now, what we can also see are all of the client details that seamlessly pulled through that we had entered in on the left-hand side, automatically populated. Leap has many mottos, and one of them is that we want to eliminate the admin work for our lawyers, so all you have to do is type the body of this letter. Now, where I want to place specific importance is on the Leap toolbar that is seamlessly integrated across the entire suite of applications within Office 365. I can save this back to my correspondence, but for our lawyers that are billing hourly, I'm going to select Time, Save, and Close. Leap has 7 different ways you can account for your time within Leap's program, and one of them is through our automatic time tracker. Upon clicking Auto Time Track and Save, a docket automatically appears for the amount of time I spent working on the letter, the billing description showcasing what I was working on, and even the staff responsible. Before you go live with Leap within your law firm, all of your users will be customized with the staff and also their billable rates. Once I save and close, the letter automatically saves to the top of the correspondence, and under my Time and Fees tab is where all of my dockets and fees will reside related to this specific matter. Now, for email management, you can easily right-click and share this document, or if we look upon the top left, we can also select the new email icon here. But if I want to share this document with my client or opposing counsel, I will right-click, I'll share this. I can email this through its original format as a PDF or a link. So what you will see firsthand is all of the client cards associated with this specific matter. The benefit here is if you have clients with similar names or similar spelling, you know exactly who you are reaching out to. Once you select the client you would like to contact, you can carry on with your email, generating the subject line, and you can see that the PDF was converted from Word. And along the top left-hand side, you can see our Leap toolbar that is seamlessly integrated once again. Now, where I want to place specific importance is the matter number that is automatically geotagged. The benefit here is that any inbound or outbound communication from this point on will automatically save to your correspondence within Leap. No longer do you have to manually attach emails to matters within your firm or drag and drop. Everything is done for you once this matter number is attached. I'm accounting for my time, so I'm going to select Time and Send. Not only does the email send, but my docket appears for how long I spent generating this email. Now, for my automatic time tracker, if I were to minimize the screen I'm working on, the timer will pause, or if I pull up another window in front of the one I'm working on, the timer in the background will pause as well. And need be, I can always go in at a later date and adjust all of these fields here. Once I select Save, you're able to see that my email is reflected under my correspondence with the attachment always secondary for you to easily view at a glance. And the Time and Fees tab is keeping track of all of our dockets. Now, in addition to creating documents here, I'm able to select our guides and precedents. So Leap has thousands of court forms and precedents readily available for you in all common areas of law. The benefit with these court forms and precedents is that everything is kept up to date by our content team. Any changes made within the courts will automatically reflect within Leap. This is all done with being a Leap user, and we can see here, since we are in a divorce and separation matter, we can go in and double-click, open up one of the documents. As you can see, the affidavit automatically generates, and all of the fields that we entered in under our details seamlessly pulled through. What I want to point out on the right-hand side is our Leap for Word application, which will appear across your court forms and precedents. It simply works as a checklist where you will fill in these fields, select Update Document, and they will pull through to the affidavit here. The benefit with our Leap Forward application, if you have new hires or summer interns, it's a good reminder as to what is required for this document to be accepted by the courts. And once again, as we're working along, I'm going to save this back to the matter by selecting Time, Save, and Close. Now we'll proceed to the calendar and tasks. One of the benefits with Leap integrating with Office 365 is that all of your critical dates and calendar items are automatically going to reflect within your Outlook calendar. When you create the matter, you're going to have your critical dates and calendar items that appear, and you will select when they're going to occur, and automatically that is reflected within Outlook. If you have to reschedule, you can make the changes within Outlook, and it will automatically reflect within Leap, and vice versa. You can also generate new appointments, new meetings, create task templates or reminder templates. Everything within Leap can be customized to your liking. Now, as we move along to the accounting functionality, our financial summary is going to give us a brief overview of everything related to the accounting on this matter. But our time and fees will reflect all of the entries and flat fees that we have generated throughout our time on this matter. We can easily create new time entries, new fees, but throughout your day, you're going to have your timesheet pulled up. Now, the timesheet is going to reference all of the work you've done throughout your entire day on various matters. From one screen here, we're able to see a few different colors. White is indicating your incomplete time entries, whether you have a timer running and you've yet to add an activity code or a billing description, or if you have your timer running with the activity code and you've yet to create a matter within Leap. Blue is indicating that this time entry has been billed and invoiced to the client, and all of your green time entries are referencing fees and dockets that are good to go, they're just pending invoicing. Upon selecting any one of the entries here, on the bottom left you can see the matter summary, and it's great if you have the client on the phone, you can easily relay the WIP, the receivable balance, the trust balance. The billing description will showcase the last 15 billable touch points related to this matter. And along the right-hand side are your performance indicators. Not only can you see how you are performing on a daily, weekly, monthly basis, but as a managing partner, you're able to see how the firm is performing as a whole. Moving along to our General Accounting tab, this is where all of your invoicing and payment history is going to reside. You can easily generate an invoice just by selecting the new invoice icon. And right up until this screen, you have full flexibility to edit and adjust everything you see. You can add a last-minute time entry, you can edit the professional fees description, you can add disbursements, you can even edit the amount that you would like to charge. If you wanted to provide any discounting, you can alter the fees, either by amount or percentage. But you also can assign this to someone within the law firm. If you are creating a pre-bill, I can easily select the drop-down, select the name of who I would like to notify, and they will be notified with the bell icon on their desktop application or their mobile application. They can come in and make the revisions, and then they will change the status to draft approve or final printed and sent. Once the pre-bill has been approved, you're able to email this through Outlook, or you can print off the invoice. This transaction will be printed after saving, select OK, save and close. And automatically, all of the invoice templates that Leap provides will become readily available. You can select detailed invoices if you'd want a trust statement reflected. We'll generate that. Lastly, I want to touch on the Trust Funds tab. All of your information is saved directly to Leap and backed up on Amazon Web servers located in Montreal, Quebec, so we meet all of your GDPR compliance needs. On the Trust tab here, you're able to see that you can receive payments, make payments, journal transfer, do trust to receivables, and all of your matter-based accounting will be conducted through Leap. This concludes the demonstration today. If you are interested in learning more about Leap, my contact details will be left at the end of the presentation today.
Thank you, Emily, for that demonstration. It is easy to see how powerful Leap can be for our law firms. And that completes the formal part of our webinar. So we would like to now open the floor to your questions. Please give us a moment while we review them.
We encourage you to keep those questions coming through. We'll keep it open for a moment or two, and we will gladly respond to a few of the questions that are coming through. Thank you. We've got one of the questions coming through here that I'd love to respond to. It is about our forms and precedents that are available within LEAP. One of the attendees is asking about the forms and precedents. They are using a third-party standalone forms product. I'm not going to mention that now. And the question is, will LEAP replace this forms product? I love this question. LEAP offers forms and precedents across all the common areas of law in Ontario, Alberta, and BC. The LEAP team keep these current and up to date. As Emily demonstrated earlier, the forms are automated with LEAP. The benefit to your firm is clear. The integration removes the need of duplicate data entry and eliminating costly mistakes. We have many firms that have moved from separate, disconnected form providers. Emily can forward the list of the hundreds of forms and precedents available in LEAP. Just pop this request into the chat and Emily will email you the list later today. We would also welcome the opportunity to organize a follow-up call to further demonstrate the depth of the forms and precedents and the automation. We can spend time on this feature and discuss the content, and we'll let you decide if LEAP can replace what you're using. We've got many, many happy customers that have moved from standalone form and precedent products to enjoy the integration benefits within LEAP. Thank you for that question. A lot of questions coming in about the training in our onboarding, which I think is a great question. And I just want to call this out as well. LEAP has been supporting law firms for over 31 years. We learned very early on to help firms pivot to a new software. We need to commit to the training as part of the onboarding. We have training videos, LEAP universities to assist firms with learning how to leverage all the features in LEAP. However, when firms want to switch, we need to help them with this change event. LEAP customers enjoy onboarding by a network of independent certified consultants. We offer live training sessions that help pivot to a new software. Again, Emily will reach out and can discuss the onboarding in greater detail with your firm, depending on the size of your firm. And we can go into great detail about all the sessions that are involved. The hands-free onboarding was one of the main reasons why LEAP was chosen as a joint venture partner.
All right, we have one question here in regard to DivorceMate with LEAP. So how can I use DivorceMate with LEAP? This is a great question since LEAP acquired DivorceMate back in 2019. Now, the benefit is that you can utilize DivorceMate through LEAP's interface. This eliminates the duplication of docket entries into a second accounting program. And as you saw, all of your time entries sync in real time from DivorceMate directly to LEAP. And for anybody else considering second accounting systems, this is a major differentiator for LEAP users. One of the goals between our joint venture and LEAP is to build successful, profitable law firms. We encourage you not to replace accounting with accounting. This is just a cost for the firm. We would like you to invest in a product that will future-proof your firm and actually build your firm profits.
A lot of questions coming in about the data migration. Again, we've got that the document that the Strato document that Emily pointed out as part of her demonstration. Again, happy to email that through to the attendees. Just again, make that request in the chat and we'll provide you with the Strato document, which details all of the information that'll come through as part of your data migration from PCLaw or Time Matters to LEAP. Amy, we've got a few questions coming in specifically about the relationship and sunset of the PCLaw service. Are you able to respond to that?
Yes, specifically this one is PCLaw being sunset. No is the answer to that. We are not sunsetting our products. We will continue to support the needs of our AMP membership clients. We provide bug fixes, software updates, the support channels. In saying that, though, many of our firms are running older versions of PCLaw and Time Matters. And those we can no longer support. So we encourage everyone to evaluate their options with their account manager and just look at the different upgrade options available to be able to be on supported technology. And did you say there was another one?
I think, yeah, there's plenty of them coming in just about more detailed questions on the joint venture. I see one question coming through about the goal of the joint venture. Really, and I'll be happy to tackle that one. Look, the goal of the joint venture is to build profitable and successful law firms in Canada. We're very, very excited that we were chosen as the joint venture partner to assist with that task. And our goal is for law firms not to simply replace accounting products with accounting products. That at the end of the day is just a cost for the firm. LEAP, as you've seen with this demonstration by Emily, has many, many efficiency features that will improve the profitability and build successful law firms. A lot of requests coming through about the Strato transition. Happy to respond to them offline. And I see other questions coming through from external products. Again, I don't want to make mention of them. I don't think that's fair to the audience. But yeah, outside of PCLaw and Time Matters, of course, we offer data migrations from 15 competitor products in the marketplace. Emily, I see a question here about training. Do you mind answering that?
Absolutely. So the question is it possible for LEAP to send someone to our office physically for training? And absolutely, we can come out for demonstrations into your office. That would be myself. Or when you make the leap, we're able to bring our consultants and our project managers right on site to assist during this transitional time.
Again, the CICs, or the Certified Independent Consultant Network, depending on how long you've been using PCLaw, a lot of these consultants are in fact members of the consulting network at PCLaw as well. So again, that's that continuity of service that we can pass on and the familiarity of a lot of these independent consultants. There's a question again coming through, a few of them, about where our servers are located. A great question. Should have covered that off in the webinar, as it is a major consideration as you're vetting products in the market. I can answer that and give you the confidence that yes, your customer data is saved in server locations at AWS in Canada, which meets GDPR compliance and ensures that your data is not being shared external to Canada. So that's a big differentiator there, and a great question. Thank you for that. Yeah, again, a question has come through about robust accounting systems in PCLaw. Are you migrating PCLaw's trust accounting? The answer is yes. And again, folks, I want to call this out. Part of the vetting process in this joint venture and why we were selected ensures that LEAP is a perfect substitute for PCLaw. So that's a big box ticked on your side. Is LEAP going to be as robust as PCLaw? I hope we've provided you the confidence to say yes, it will.
I'm seeing some questions here based off of requests for information. I definitely will send that over afterwards. But here's a great question what is the starting process to move over from PCLaw to LEAP? It all starts with a meeting with myself, just opening that line of communication, addressing all of your questions, and just going over how your law firm is currently operating. And from a demonstration over Zoom, we can definitely take the next steps just to get a greater understanding of LEAP and how it's going to work specifically for your firm.
And a question coming through about Microsoft 365. Folks, this solution is cloud-based, so it's a game changer for law firms. As we pointed out, no servers are required. We have a beautiful integration with the Microsoft 365. So together, this integration allows your law firm to be completely in the cloud. And Microsoft today is only selling Office 365. So if you don't have that today naturally your firm will have to migrate, as it is the only option available from Microsoft. And again, I'm not here to sell Microsoft, but Office 365 is an incredibly affordable per user per month and fee, and you can refer to the Microsoft website or your IT representative for more information on that.
Another question in regard to the court forms and precedents, asking, are they kept up to date regularly? Absolutely. As soon as a change is made within the court system, our content team updates it within LEAP and you will be notified. And also a question in regard to sending invoices and receiving credit card payment, if the client is able to do that automatically. Yes, you are, and I'd love to showcase that specific functionality in a demonstration with you.
A lot of questions, swag of questions coming in from folks in BC, Alberta, quite a few of the similar questions in Ontario about our trust compliance with the law societies in each of the provinces. We'd like to simply provide you the comfort and say, absolutely, we comply with the different regulations in the provinces. Again, we can discuss that in further detail, and it is identified on the LEAP website as well.
A question here, does LEAP do all of the accounting instead of using PCLaw? So that is correct. You'll be migrated completely off of PCLaw, and I would even encourage setting up an accounting deep dive on our end where we will focus specifically on the accounting and showing the comparison to your current setup with PCLaw. I'll reach out afterwards to organize that.
Okay, we're gonna leave this open for a few more minutes. Is this available in Saskatchewan? Hello to the folks out in Saskatchewan. The answer is yes. And again, we can respond to you on that inquiry and have a LEAP representative reach out. What is the pricing? Which is my favorite question. LEAP is $129 per user per month. That includes the features that you've seen in the demonstration and many more. This full integration of products provides, again, a sophisticated accounting system, but all the tools that you need to build a successful, profitable law firm. The goal, again, at $129 is if you consider your tech stack, and that's really what this is all about. Don't think about replacing accounting with accounting. Consider all the other products that are part of your technology stack. And when a LEAP representative puts you through the demonstration, ask those questions and you can make the decision yourself. I think you'll find at $129 and the opportunity to replace disconnected systems, this is a very, very economic decision, a sound economic decision for your law firm.
I'm seeing a question here. What about other provinces outside of Alberta, Ontario, and BC? Yes, LEAP can accommodate provinces outside of the three that were listed. And in addition, will someone at LEAP do all of the migration from PCLaw to LEAP? Yes, our transition team is well experienced migrating your information from your current setup into LEAP. It's all done on the back end, so you actually do not experience any disruptions, and neither will your clients during this transitional time.
A couple of questions coming in about pre-printed checks, or yes, LEAP can print on pre-printed checks as well. There's a lot of questions coming through here, folks. We'll leave it open for about 5 more minutes. We're not going to have the time to respond, but I assure you we will have Emily and a few other representatives respond to these questions that are coming through. Very exciting to see.
Here's a great question as well. What happens to a firm if they've already purchased their PCLaw license for the year? So no worries if you joined a little bit later. Amy did mention that if you have purchased a PCLaw license for the year, you've paid your AMP renewal, they will provide you with a prorated refund. So you will not be paying for 2 software at the same time. As soon as you sign an order form with LEAP, you immediately get that prorated refund.
There's a question here about invoicing and a merchant facility offering credit card payments to your customer. The answer is yes. And again, this is a feature of one of many that we didn't cover in the presentation. There is just so many, but We would love to demonstrate this for you. No merchant, swiping machines that are required. It's fully integrated. You can have a simple PR code on your invoice and your customer can pay via credit card. We'd love to demonstrate that. It's a big game changer for law firms.
I will mention we are accredited by the Law Society in BC. A recent question came in there. And yes, this webinar was recorded, so this will be sent out afterwards to all attendees. And I will also follow up with any questions or concerns that you may have.
Thank you everyone for attending today's webinar. On behalf of Amy, Emily, and myself, I hope you found this session informative and see the value that LEAP has to offer. For any clients interested in learning more or requiring further training, please reach out to your practice advisor. For any attendees today who are not yet LEAP clients, please feel free to contact the members of the LEAP sales team for a demo. Thank you and have a great day.